Welcome back to Edgemont Village Vista, everybody. We are here week 37. Again, don't forget, we've had about 10 weeks of delay due to redesign. Happens to the best of us. So we are just waiting for the clients and designers to finalize the design so that my team Sprucehill, can get back in here and keep kicking ass and taking names. We still have the guys doing some work here, but we only have like a skeleton crew of guys doing things on this site today and probably this week. Once we have drawings and we are confirmed on things, you're going to see insane production happening here. Okay, so you can see we are here at the back of the house. The built-in barbecue, no longer. All of the stucco across the back of the house is all gone. In fact, I think if we do a tour of the entire perimeter of the house, all of the stucco has now been removed. Again, this is going to allow us to improve the building envelope on this home, and it will also give the clients the opportunity to do whatever siding they want back here. My guess, knowing them, is some sort of masonry detail with siding above. That would be kind of in keeping with this house, but we'll see what the designers and the clients come up with. I have my opinions, but I mean, what do I know? I'm just a builder. So we're here in the future office, and again, we've got the door out. We have got a whole bunch of demolition work done here. And you'll recall, Kyle, that the plan is to get rid of this skylight roof sort of detail here and actually frame a normal roof across this area here. So we'll see what the final details are and whatever else, but that's a game plan. We are also gonna be replacing all of the windows in the home, because, well, if we're going to this extent, it just makes sense to put in new windows at this stage in the game. If you're gonna do something at this magnitude, you may as well just upgrade and update everything that is going on the envelope of the house. Because the reality of it is that replacing windows in the future is gonna be very, very, very problematic, because you're gonna be dealing with interior finishes, exterior finishes, and all sorts of other things. So again, we're here, we're kicking ass, we're taking names. It just makes sense to replace all the windows. And that way also the clients can have the style and design of windows that they want specifically. That's a wrap on today, everybody. If you have a home that you have been dreaming about renovating, or you're thinking about buying so that you can renovate, we would love to be your partners in success. Reach us on the phone, find us on the web. Your choice, but connect with us. We'd love to work with you. In the meantime, don't forget to like and subscribe. And also, share this content. If you think it's interesting, share it with your friends and family. We sure would love the additional support. In the meantime, thank you so much for watching. Stay awesome, and we'll catch you on the next one. Bye now.